In which year 14 Indian Commercial Bank was nationalized? Correct answer is 1969. Second, lead banking was introduced in the year 1969. लीड बैंक 1969 में लीड हुआ था, आरबीआई 1935 में. एंड मनी मार्केट इज मार्केट फॉर शॉर्टर, यस ट्रू, लॉन्ग टर्म. एंड नेक्स्ट, IFCI established on 1948. Next, First Development Bank of India, IFCI. First Bank of India, Bank of Hindustan. Next, First Bank of World, Banco Monte dei Paschi di Siena. Which bank not a public sector is a correct answer? Axis Bank. Next, which bank not a private sector bank? RRBS is not a private sector bank. Who can cross a check? Drawer, holder and banker. All three are correct. Drawer, holder and banker चेक को क्रॉस कर सकते हैं. स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया वॉज established on 1st July 1955. नेक्स्ट, हु इशू 1 rupee coin of India? मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस. सचिव 1 rupee coin को इशू करता है. नेक्स्ट, IMF was established 27 December 1945. Head office of IMF. Correct answer, Washington. Which is not a presidency bank? The Bank of Maharashtra is not a presidency bank. How many members are there in Central Board of RBI? 20. Who appointed the governor, deputy governor of RBI? Central government. Correct answer. RBI was established as private bank. Next, which of the following is not an instrument of money market? Shares. Shares is not a money market. The liability of shareholders of public companies is limited to the amount called up. Correct answer is D. Under the Indian Companies Act 1956, a person can be director in 20 companies. Interest dividend is payable even if company does not earn profit. Correct answer, debentures. Debentures के केस में क्या होता है कि interest dividend is payable अगर कंपनी प्रॉफिट अर्न नहीं किए है तब भी डिबेंचर्स पेबल होता है. 56, डिबेंचर्स कैन नॉट बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग डिबेंचर्स. डिबेंचर्स जो ऋणी होते हैं वो डिबेंचर्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ जॉइंट स्टॉक कंपनी इज इंटरप्टेड बाय द डेथ और इंसॉल्वेंसी ऑफ its managers and directors. Correct answer, C. When an existing company offer its share for sale to the existing shareholders known as right issue. राइट इशू के नाम से जाना जाता है अगर एग्जिस्टिंग कंपनी ऑफर करती है शेयर्स सेल करने के लिए शेयर होल्डर्स को, तो राइट इशू माना जाता है इसे. 59, A dash is a combination of two companies to form a new company. A correct answer क्या होगा? Merger. A merger is a company to form new companies. Promoter is person who take part in the incorporation of a company. Correct answer A. I hope this session is very helpful to all of you. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for daily notification.